Hi, Kelly Epping, Portfolio Manager for the Softails. Let's talk about the new 2025 Heritage Classic. She is the quintessential Harley-Davidson cruiser. This vehicle is nostalgia meets modern function. The new 2025 model in front of me elegantly blends chrome and black with a fresh, vibrant new tank medallion. Heritage also picks up an insanely cool new pinstripe design, which you can see right here. This pinstripe presents itself really beautifully in the two-tone scheme that is available. You can see it on hd.com, or you can pop into a dealer so you can check it out in person. So talking about this new 2025, tip-to-tail, new LED lighting. It is standard across all the Softail vehicles. Also, new with this Heritage is that there is a standard cast wheel. However, as shown here, is a new tubeless laced wheel. New for 2025, TPMS is now standard on all of our Softail models on all the wheels. Suspension has been retuned for enhanced comfort and handling for all your long-haul needs. All the Softail models now feature this new adjustable brake lever, so for different hand sizes or accommodate different riding preferences. Also, cruise control is standard on all of our Softail models. New in 2025, ride modes. First time Softail and Heritage have received ride modes. They are rain, road, and sport for all your different riding needs, and these are also standard. New for 2025, the USB plug, which is located right in front of the fuel tank. That USB caddy is now using the USB-C plug, so you can plug in your phone and use that along your long-haul adventures. Important for a Heritage customer, under the seat, there is now a new plug to plug in your riding gear. So this is perfect for when you're on those long adventures and it gets a little chilly. Moving on to our powertrain. So the Heritage Classic will receive the Milwaukee-Eight 117 in the Classic configuration, meaning this powertrain is tuned with a very traditional flat torque curve and delivers 120 foot-pounds of torque and 98 horsepower. That's 4% more power over the 2024 model. It also has a redesigned round intake with a larger throttle body and the streamlined 2-into-1 exhaust, which is new this year. This model has a redesigned cylinder heads, leading to improved fuel economy as well as enhancing torque. So let's talk about the things that you can't see but are new for 2025. So there is a full suite of rider safety enhancements that have been integrated into this motorcycle. Those are straight line and cornering traction control, straight line and cornering ABS, as well as drag torque slip control, all standard on this Heritage Classic in front of you. So I encourage you, head out to your dealer and take it for a spin.